Hair HD body wave lace front wig. It already came styled like this, which I really love because I'm telling you guys, I didn't have to do anything to the wig. Here you can also see the knots were already bleached and the hairline already had came pre-plucked. It looked so natural. I'll be showing you guys how I laid the wig. That's literally the only thing that I had to do since it already came ready for me to like put on. And I also really had loved their wig caps. Here you can see how well the wig is pre-plucked. I really love how natural it is. I didn't have to do anything to it. And for those that are new to laying wigs, I always feel like it's best to get a wig that already comes ready for you to just put on and you don't have to do anything, because plucking a hairline could get hard and it won't look so natural. But this right here, as you can see, it looks like it's like coming out of my scalp, which I really love. on with my baby hair, and I really had loved the curls that they had put in the wig already, so I didn't want to restyle it. I just wanted to like finger comb my hair just to like loosen up the curls a little bit. Let me tell you guys, the hair is extremely soft. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. Worked with the company before, so I really love their wigs. This is what 24 inches look like. As you can see, the hair is full. Don't really experience any tangling or shedding when it comes to this hair company, so love this hair. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys actually think of the whole entire look. Also, let me know what you guys would like to see next from me. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.